Welcome to Grafton Ad School. This course isn't just about advertising, it's about creating ideas that can help shape and influence pop culture. Over 12 weeks, I'll teach you how to think like a creative and develop a portfolio that could get you an internship in an advertising agency. Unlike other courses, you'll be personally taught by me, a working executive creative director. I've amassed over 100 international awards to my name, and I'm also currently ranked in the top 15 in the world. You'll also get tips and tricks from other creative directors, art directors, and writers. The course I've developed is a culmination of 20 years experience. It covers mediums like print, out-of-home, activation, PR, radio, film, and digital. But more importantly, I'm going to teach you how to become great storytellers. I'm going to teach you about coming up with campaignable insights that lead to big ideas that have people talking about your work around the world.
An animal trainer in New Zealand has been teaching dogs to drive automobiles.
You can teach an old dog new tricks.
This might be our favorite video of the year for me.
Aquarium in New Zealand may have the first underwater photographer with 8 ways to take a picture.
To get into this course, you'll need to show me something that makes you creatively interesting. So this could be examples of your writing, design, photography, filmmaking, animation. It doesn't really matter, just show me what makes you creatively interesting. I'll also need you to answer a creative brief, which is on this website. So if this course sounds like you, submit your portfolio, answer the creative brief, and claim one of the limited spots. But be quick, as the course will be closing soon.